Welcome to 5099 Health Academy. This video covers evidence-based proprioceptive rehabilitation protocols for chronic ankle instability, or CAI, based on ACSM and JACC guidelines.
5099 Health Academy. 건강의 모든 것.
Ankle instability stems from deafferentation, where ligament damage disrupts sensory feedback. This leads to functional instability with delayed reaction times and recurrent sprains. The goal is to restore the sensory motor system for dynamic joint stability. ACSM guidelines recommend neuromuscular exercise 2 to 3 days per week for 20 to 30 minutes. Intensity should progressively increase by manipulating the base of support, vision, or surface. The type of exercises should include balance, agility, coordination, and proprioceptive training. Phase 1 is static stabilization, beginning with the single leg stance, or SLS. The standard is to hold for 30 seconds. To progress, close your eyes to remove visual feedback and force reliance on joint mechanoreceptors. Phase 2 introduces perturbation, adding noise to the system with unstable surfaces like Airex pads or Bosu balls. The goal is to maintain a neutral foot arch while the surface shifts for 30 seconds or more per set. Phase 3 is dynamic reaching, using the STAR excursion balance test. Stand on the affected leg and reach in the anterior, posteromedial, and posterolateral directions. Perform 3 sets of 5 reaches, keeping the stance heel flat and knee stable. Phase 4 focuses on functional plyometrics, like the hop to stabilize exercise. The key is landing mechanics, not height. Perform multi-directional hops and hold the landing for 2 to 3 seconds without swaying to train feet-forward control. Clinical evidence from a meta-analysis shows that proprioceptive training reduces the risk of recurrent ankle sprains by 35% in athletes with a history of injury. Key takeaways for the rehab protocol include early mobilization, progressing from static to dynamic exercises, and maintaining consistency at least 3 times a week for a minimum of 6 weeks. 5099 Health Academy wishes you a successful recovery. Thank you.